مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم. مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم محمد.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to talent show of our school. I am Hafiz Uddin from Santi. My working only is ATM. My working only full form of ATM is automated teller machine. ATM was invented by John Adrian Shipper born on 23rd June 1925 to 15 May 2010. The first ATM card was used in 1967. ATM provides convenience and accessibility today busy life. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Talent Show Our School. I am Asti Muhammad Abu Bakr, studying 7th standard C section. My working model is article. Did you know what are the article in grammar? They are a and the. They are. Did you know what are the article in grammar? They are a and the. These three are can be divided into two parts. The first one is different article, that is the. The second one is indifferent article, that is and we have to the indifferent article is and we have to use before the vowels a, e, I, o, u. For example, an apple, an orange, and an eye. A indifferent article we have to use before the consonants in the rest of the letter are called consonants. For example, a dancer.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to talent show of our school. I am T. Ansar Khan from 7th C. My working model is punctuation mark. Here it is my punctuation mark. Punctuation fills our add clarity, precision of our writing. Punctuation marks are question mark, comma, full stop, slash, exclamation mark. Uses of the punctuation is the first one is question mark. Question mark is just need to go at the end of every intricate sentence instead of full stop. The sentence always start with WH words like when, why, who, what, where, which, whose. So exclamation mark added at the end of the sentence. It can indicate our anger, happiness and strong emotion. Full stop. Yeah, this is the most popular punctuation because we cannot able to write in this single sentence. A comma is the comma is always separate to go at the different types of sentence. Slash. The slash is here. Go at the end of the sentence. It can indicate our anger, happiness and strong emotion. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am heartily welcome to talent show of Huda Stars. I am R. Umar Farooq from South Sea. Welcome to my library walking model. Behind every great community, there is a great library. Library is a house of different characters that can influence our lives. Library is a far from boring atmosphere. Library is a awakening soul due to way of habits of voracious reading. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to talent show of our Huda Stars. I am K. Hamza, studying 7th standard A section. My one of the finished and gorgeous modern zoo. A zoo is a place where animals live in captivity and are put on display for people view. A word zoo is short for zoological park. A zoo contains wide varieties of animals that are native to all the parts of the earth. I recently went to tour in National Zoological Park in Chennai. I really enjoyed my trip. I learned that a zoo is a place full different types of animals, birds, deer, reptiles, snakes, lizards and tiger, lion. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to talent show of the stars. The working model is preposition. Preposition is a word phrase that connects noun or pronoun to a verb or adjective in a sentence. Common prepositions are on, in, at, above, after, before. Here, now the preposition go indicate to the portion of the noun. Where is the ball? The ball is in the cup. The ball is on the steps. The ball is between the steps and slides. The ball is between the
steps and boat. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Talent Show of Huda Stars. I am Salman from 7th Standard A section. Now I am going to explain about mode of transport. Mode of transport is referred to the transport facility used to carry people on choose mode. The different mode of transport: air transport, water transport, land transport. Each mode of transport has a fundamental, the different technological solution, and some require a separate environment. An aeroplane is the fastest mode of transport. It's cover 1,000 kilometers in air just a few hours. So it's very useful to traveling very long distance in very short time. Water transport is the slowest mode of transport. It is used to transportation of the raw material which is not affected by the speed of movement. One of the most essential aspects of our daily lifestyle is land transportation. One of the biggest industries is any nation is land transportation. The cheapest means is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our talent show of Huda Stars. Now I'm here to explain about the greatest scientist Sir Isaac Newton. The first one is cradle, the second one is hopogram. Cradle, first and last one is cradle. It is visible in white light. Hopogram is the third law of motion. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our talent show of Abu Stars. I am Jay Fan from 7th A. My working model is model work. Model verbs are one type of helping verb. It is the ability to possibility, permission, and obligation. Model verbs are should, will, shall, can, may, need. Day-to-day life we can using to express thought using our life helping of model verb. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our talent show of Huda Stars. I am Shahrukh from 8th A. My working model is before notes. There are three forms in before notes: in present, am, is, are, and two forms in past: was, were. And forms we have to use before one and only a subjective pronoun. Example: I am a boy. Next is we have to before use plural pronoun or noun. Example: she, he, it, this, that. She is a girl, he is a boy, it is a book, this is a van, that is a school. Or you have to use plural noun pronoun. Example: they are playing kabaddi, these are apple, those are orange. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our Huda Stars. I am R. Muhammad Rashid. I am studying 5th standard A section. I am today explain about sentence structures. The sentence structures can be made up of two or more parts. The different types of sentence structures are subject, verb, object, adjective, and compound. The different types of sentence structures are. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Talent Show of Huda Stars. I am K. Abdul Salam. I am studying in 6th standard A section. Today I am explaining about types of tenses. A tense is a form of the verb that allows you to express time. The tense of the verb tells us when an event or something the person did something. For example, present tense, past, the future tense are the three main types of the tenses. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is T. Mahir. I am studying 6th standard A section. I am tell about a palindrome. A palindrome is a word or past that is and whether you read it backwards and forwards. Example: radar, madam, refer, dictionary, backwards and forwards. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is A. Abdul Mazid. I am studying 5th standard A section. I explain the palindrome. A palindrome is a word, number, phrase, or other sequence of symbols that read the same backward as forward, such as madam. Example: mom, wow, palindrome, radar, level, race car, mom, kayak, potato, solos, Anna. These all are palindrome words. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Talent Show of Huda Stars. I am Umar Farooq. I am studying 4th standard J section. I am Explain about words. Past, present, future. Wrote, write, will write, eat, will eat, became, become, will become, began, begin, will begin, bit, bite, bottle, build, will build, view, draw, will draw, fill, fall, will fall, feed, feed, will feed, birth, go, will go, kept, keep, will keep, ran. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sajil. I am studying 4th standard. I am going to explain about compound words. A compound words two or more words linked together to produce a word. Example: the word news and paper come together to a new meaning. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Min Abdullah. I am studying 3rd standard A section. Today I am going to explain about magic E rule. First, we should apply phonic sound to this word. Ta, a, ta, ta, a, ta, tap. When we add magic E at the end of the word, a vowel A sound, it changes into the letter name. Tap becomes tape. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to talent show of Huda Stars. Let's play the game. Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to talent show of Huda Stars. English ladder. Let's play a game. Roll the dice. That's all. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sheikh Nas. I am studying 1st standard A section. We talk these adverbs. What is to describe action are called adverbs. Adverbs tell us how the action is being done. Some examples are quickly, slowly, sadly, quietly, slowly, etc. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmed Ril. I am studying 1st standard A section. The topic is nouns. Nouns are naming words. It is the name of a person, name of place, name of things, name of animals. Some example of pen and pencil, LED sharpener, school, teacher. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sohail Fawzan. I am studying 2nd standard. This is a gateway of India. Gateway of India is located in Mumbai. It was completed in 1924. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. There are 3 articles here and the articles are used before noun. A is used in front of singular countable noun. An is used in front of singular countable noun. And vowel letter. The vowel letter R, A, E, I, O, U. That is used to describe something specific. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sia Umar. I am studying 2nd standard A section.
My topic is collective noun. Collective noun is any noun that is used to name a group of something like people, animal, things, a pack of. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdul Kalam. I am studying in second standard A section. My topic is adventure travel. Adventure travel is a type of tourism, camping and stargazing. Camping is going for long journey on foot. Camping is staying out for a night in nature. Stargazing is looking at stars as hobbies. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Jerihan. I am studying first standard A section. My topic is Indian food. Indian cuisine consists of varieties of regional and traditional foods. Regional foods are based on soil, climate, culture, and the occupation of the people. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
محمد سيد الكونين والثقلين. محمد سيد الكونين والثقلين. محمد سيد الكونين والثقلين والفارقين من عرب ومن عجم. مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم. مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم. هو الحبيب الذي ترجى شفاعته. هو الحبيب الذي ترجى شفاعته. هو الحبيب الذي ترجى شفاعته لكل هول من الأهوال مقتحم. مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك